How to set up shipping on Shopify. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to set up shipping on Shopify. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what you need to do is just click on the settings right here, and then from in there we can see these things right here. So just click on the shipping, then delivery right here, and from in there you can see also your shipping and general shipping rates. So if you're on the supported country of Shopify, then you can also offer delivery. As you can see right here, this doesn't offer delivery yet, but you can also check this one right here to get over and make sure to have this thing right here. So you can also use postal codes to just fill this in as usual. So just put in a minimum order price, for example, in order to fill this one right here. After that, just click on save. Then after you have saved that, you should to be able to have a Shopify connected to your account. And then you can also show delivery rates as checkout, so just make sure to turn that on if you want. And then the next thing that you need to do next is to head over and put in the package. So click on add package right here. You can put in the package name. You can also type in the package type and also type in the length, width, height, and weight. So just fill this in as usual and make sure to apply the correct rates on your specific shipping label. You can also enable third-party calculated rates at checkout. If you click on this one right here, you can actually integrate UPS on your Shopify. Now, from in there, you can just close this. And once you head over to your products right here, you can just click on this one right here and select and click on this bulk edit. And then from in there, you can put in actual things right here, like for example, a hand quantity and all of that. But you can also just edit the shipping weight from in there. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to set up shipping on Shopify. If you have questions in the comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.